Soldier, as you stand before me today, I want you to grasp the enormity of your responsibility. The very fabric of our society, our way of life, rests upon your shoulders. You are not just a warrior. You are the protector of your people, a beacon of hope and strength in a world that often seeks to tear us apart. Every Spartan knows the legends of our ancestors, those who stood unwavering against the might of Persia at Thermopylae. They did not merely fight for glory. They fought for their families, for their homeland, and for the future generations. You, too, must embody that spirit. The heart of a Spartan beats not just for himself, but for the community, for every man, woman, and child who looks to you for protection. Picture the mighty Hercules, who faced impossible tasks. He didn't shy away from challenges. He embraced them, understanding that true strength is forged in adversity. You must take this lesson to heart when you face trials, whether on the battlefield or in daily life. Remember that it is in those moments of challenge that your character is revealed. Defending your people means knowing who they are and what they stand for. Our society is built on honor, loyalty, and bravery. Each of us is a thread in the grand tapestry of Sparta. If one thread is frayed, the whole tapestry suffers. Your duty is to weave strong bonds, to fortify those connections with love and loyalty. Just as the mighty oak stands firm against the raging storms, so must you be that steadfast protector. Your family, your friends, and your community rely on you to be their shield. When the winds of chaos blow, do not waver. Stand tall. Know that your courage can inspire others to rise alongside you. In the annals of history, the great philosophers, Socrates, Plato, taught us that the pursuit of virtue is paramount. To defend your people is to act virtuously, to uphold the ideals of justice and righteousness. When faced with difficult choices, remember that your actions reflect not just on you, but on your entire community. Consider the wisdom of the oracle at Delphi. She spoke in riddles, but the essence of her message was clear. Knowledge is power. Equip yourself with wisdom. Learn from the past. For the lessons of history are the guiding stars that illuminate our path. Understand your enemies and their motives, so you can outmaneuver them in times of conflict. Think of your people as a great fortress. Each citizen contributes to its strength. When you defend your people, you fortify that fortress. You do this through action and support. Speak out against injustices, lend a helping hand, and foster unity. Remember that a divided community is vulnerable. Strengthen your bonds. You have a duty to protect the vulnerable among you, the children, the elderly, the weak. They are the heart of our society, and it is your responsibility to safeguard them. Just as a lioness fiercely defends her cubs, so too must you fiercely defend your people. Show compassion, for true strength lies not only in the sword but also in the heart. The Spartans are known for their discipline and rigor. Adopt that mindset in your daily life. Rise early, train hard, and be relentless in your pursuit of excellence. Physical prowess is vital, but remember that mental fortitude is equally important. Cultivate both. A well-rounded warrior is a formidable protector. As you march into battle, remember the bond you share with your comrades. You are not alone. You stand shoulder to shoulder with those who share your vision and purpose. The bond of brotherhood is unbreakable. When one of you falters, the others will lift you up. This unity is what makes a Spartan. In the face of adversity, you must be the unwavering flame. Your light can guide those who are lost. Embrace your role as a leader. Take charge when chaos ensues. It is your time to shine. Remember, the brightest stars emerge from the darkest nights. Be that star for your people. Look to the tales of the Trojan War, where the cunning of Odysseus turned the tide. Strategy is as vital as brute strength. When defending your people, think critically and strategically. A well-placed word or action can often achieve what brute force cannot. Use your mind as a weapon. When the battle is over and the dust settles, reflect on your actions. Ask yourself, did I act honorably? Did I defend my people with valor? Learn from your experiences, for each day is a new battle in this ongoing war called life. Strive to be better than you were yesterday. The greatest victories are often won not on the battlefield, but in the hearts of your people. Show them love, respect, and understanding. Engage with them. Listen to their needs and concerns. A leader who cares will always have the loyalty of his people. Just as the sun rises each day, bringing light to the darkness, so must you rise to the occasion. Take initiative. Do not wait for others to act. The time to defend your people is now. Be proactive in safeguarding your community, whether through words, actions, or courage. Let your resolve shine bright. The gods watch over us, but they favor the bold. Step forward, seize the day, and embody the spirit of your ancestors. Their blood runs in your veins, and their legacy lives on through you. Stand proud. You carry their name and honor. In the shadows of uncertainty, let your courage be the beacon that guides your people. When they look to you, they should see strength, integrity, and unwavering resolve. Be the hero they need. Embrace your destiny as a protector, as a champion of your people. Your heart beats in sync with the rhythm of your community. Each pulse is a reminder of the lives you touch, the hearts you uplift, and the legacy you create. Be mindful of your impact. Every action, no matter how small, can resonate throughout the lives of those around you. As you prepare for the challenges ahead, remember that your greatest weapon is your spirit. Arm yourself with hope, compassion, and unwavering resolve. The fight for your people is not just physical. It is a battle of wills, a testament to the strength of your character. Ultimately, your legacy will be defined by how you treated others. Will you be remembered as a fierce protector, a compassionate leader, and a man of honor? The choice is yours. Choose wisely, for your actions today will echo through the corridors of history. So, rise, soldier. Embrace your destiny as the defender of your people. Let your actions resonate through the ages, inspiring future generations to stand tall, fight fiercely, and protect what is dear. You are a Spartan, and your people look to you for guidance, strength, and protection. Now, go forth, stand tall, fight fiercely, and let the world know that you will not falter. Your commitment to defending your people will shape the future of Sparta, and your name will be etched in the annals of history as a champion of honor and courage.